Alright, so we have the new K&N emissions compliant air filter. Alright, let's get everything out of the box and get to it. It's supposed to give the truck a 9 horsepower gain while still using the stock air box. Here's the sticker we're after. Alright, so here we are removing the crankcase vent hose and also the vacuum line. So we will start out by removing the air box top and bottom and doing some trim work on the inside of the bottom of the air box. After that, we'll be replacing the intake tube with the K&N intake and the new air filter for the box, and get this trim work done and get this thing on the road so we can light them up.
I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation.
Alright, so right here, I got to take the stock air box out and do some trimming so the air filter will fit in it. And let's get to it.
Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation. I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation.
Okay, so I got to trim this along the line over here so the filter will fit down in there. There's a rivet here and we need to drill it out and replace it with a screw and a lock nut. Okay, so this is the rivet I got to drill out that's holding that piece that I got to trim inside. This is the piece here. I got to trim it down and around so that the filter fits inside.
I regard the work of motivation the most important
We got it out.
in the history of man.
It was a rivet. Just had to drill it out. Pull this out. Now I got to trim this.
Everything that happens is motivation.
I'm gonna clean the edges up here and reinstall it in the box. I'll bring you guys back for that. All right, yo. This is the bottom of the box. This is the piece we trimmed and we removed the rivet. We're gonna use the provided screw and lock nut to hold it in there. All right, looks good. Okay, here we are at the end result, finished product. Now it's time to go do some burnouts.